Hey guys, welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Today we are on an outing, an adventure. Me and my friend has come to the Dollar Tree and we are about to take $10 each. We're gonna make a craft for our garden or homestead, and we're not sure what each other's gonna make, but we all have $10 to do it. So here we go, let's go find something. So I kind of already have an idea of what I want to do. I think I want to make a bee home for like the native bees. You know, they're usually in like some kind of box and they have wooden, looks like straws. I'm sure it's pieces of bamboo or something, and they go in there and they lay their eggs, and the eggs hatch out, and then they pollinate your flowers in your garden. I kind of want to make one of those, but I'm not sure what I'm going to use to make one. I think I'm going to get a shadow box because I know the Dollar Tree has those small shadow boxes, but I don't know what I'm going to use for the straws or whatever that goes inside. We'll see. But look, I don't need any of these, but look at this. Look, this is my weakness.
Hey, it's April's friend Rhonda, and I'm gonna make her a surprise. Maybe, if I can figure out what to make. I have no plan in mind whatsoever. I'm just gonna see what I find.
So I got a few items, but they have nothing to do with the craft I'm gonna do. So we're gonna hit up another Dollar Tree, and hopefully they have some shelves that have stuff on it. More seeds. I did buy some seeds at the other dollar store that I didn't need, but you know, 4 for $1, why not?
So I think these could be kind of cute for something, but I have no idea what. There's not one single card available here, so I'm just going to carry these around, see if I want them.
We've also agreed in this challenge that me and her are doing that we can use our own paint because we already have paint at home, so we won't be buying paint if we need to paint anything. Glue, we have glue sticks, we have super glue, anything like glue, tape, paint, things of that nature, we're not going to buy. So they have these cat scratching things here, and it has little holes in it. I think I can use this for the bees to get in, put it inside our box for the bees to get in and lay their eggs.
Okay, I kind of think this nautical rope goes with these buckets I grabbed, so I think I will get one of those. Don't need that. I still have no idea what I'm making.
I have found this, and I think this will be perfect, and it's better, it's bigger, and it's something you could hang in the garden and it would be cute. But it's $3 instead of the $1.25, but that's okay. I have this and the cat scratch things that I'm gonna.
I almost feel like I want this splatter screen with a handle. I don't know why, but
Now we go home to craft.
okay. So this is what I ended up getting. It's 8 items, all from the Dollar Tree, all $1.25 items, because now they have items that are 3 and 5. These were all $1.25. Britton Farms said that tax didn't count, but I threw in for the tax, so I might get disqualified because I need all 8 items, I think, to make something. Like I said, I didn't know what I was gonna make when I started, so I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but I have an idea now of what I'm gonna do.
So if you don't know what a native bee home is for your garden, this was my inspiration for my project to go into the garden. And it's just a wooden box with, as you can see, like little holes. I think those are bamboo sticks, so the bees can daub them up with dirt and lay their eggs in there, and then the eggs hatch, and then they go and they pollinate your flowers in your garden. Look at those beautiful flowers. Anyway, that was my inspiration. So this is the color we're about to use on this heart here. I just have some plastic down so I don't get it all over the grass, but I have a feeling that's not gonna work, so we may have some colored grass until it's mowed again.
Okay, so far I have removed the seahorse from this little metal sign. I've wrapped my material around this strainer, splatter guard. I'm gonna put this rope on. It's not done yet. That's not how I'm gonna have it. It's gonna look something like that. And then I'm gonna use this sticker chalkboard to put on here so that I can write something on it. And then it's gonna go into this can. So this is how far I am.
I've now got my heart painted here, and I'm just gonna lay it down like this. And I'm gonna cut this and then stick it inside, and then cut another one and stick it inside, so this will be inside. And I've poked holes in it to make some of the holes bigger for bigger bees. With my bee house, look at that, guys. Woohoo! And I'm gonna use these what are these called? Tabs. Can tabs to put on the back of this. Like that. And then you can use that to hang it with. Put one on each side. I have to find some little bitty finishing nails or something to put it on there with. And then mine's done. So here is the bee house all finished and hanging on my friend's fence. We're pimping her fence. And this is gonna help with the pollination of her flowers she has all over her yard. She got some strawberries there. She did a great job. She surprised me with this. And I gave her the thing that I made to put on her fence.